Disclaimer: this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Investing in AI, stocks, or crypto involves significant risk. Always do your own research before making any financial decisions. A profound shift is upon us. The ability to build a significant, impactful business is no longer the exclusive domain of large, well-funded corporations. As we stand here in 2026, the tools for monumental creation are accessible to the individual. This is made possible by a new class of technology: intelligent, task-specific AI agents. Think of an AI agent not as a single, all-knowing machine, but as a dedicated digital specialist. It is a focused tool designed to execute a specific job with precision and speed. It can be your marketer. It can be your salesperson. It can be your operations manager. The true power emerges when you combine these specialists into a cohesive system. I refer to this as the agent stack. With a thoughtfully constructed agent stack, a single visionary can orchestrate a business that generates $1 million in revenue without a single employee on the payroll. This is not a distant dream. It is a practical reality for those willing to learn and adapt. This essay is your guide. It will lay out the precise steps to achieve this remarkable feat. We will delve into the specific types of agents you need to command. We will explore the strategy that enables you to scale your operations infinitely without the traditional burdens of overhead. And we will provide a clear, actionable plan to launch your venture and grow it into a formidable enterprise. The journey begins not with complex code, but with a clear idea. Choose a business model where the product or service is well-defined and can be delivered digitally. In-depth online course niche, software as a service tool, specialized content brand, unique e-commerce store with drop-shipped products. The key is that the delivery mechanism must lend itself to automation. This simplifies the entire operational workflow. Once you have a product, you must have a market. Conduct a simple but crucial test. Are people in this niche already spending money to solve the problem you address? If the answer is a firm yes, then you have found fertile ground. This new paradigm requires a new mindset. You are not a manager of people, you are an architect of systems. Your role is to design the workflow, select the right agents, and set the strategic direction. Your time is your most precious asset, reserved for high-level decisions, creative ideation, and relationship building that agents cannot yet replicate. The routine, repetitive tasks that once consumed entire departments can now be delegated to your tireless digital workforce. They do not need breaks. They do not have bad days. They can operate around the clock, across the globe. This is the leverage that creates the million-dollar solopreneur. It is a future of immense possibility, waiting for you to claim it. The first pillar of your agent stack is the marketing agent. Its singular purpose is to find your future customers and bring them to your digital doorstep. This agent is your storyteller, your advertiser, your audience builder, working tirelessly to spread your message. It begins by creating the essential assets for your campaigns. It generates compelling ad copy. It writes engaging video scripts. It crafts persuasive social media posts. It can assemble simple single-purpose landing pages to capture leads or make sales. Start with proven templates and a library of stock media to move fast and control costs. The agent's work is not guesswork. The marketing agent is a data scientist in miniature. It runs small advertising experiments across your chosen channels. It tests 10 different headlines, 5 different images, 3 different calls to action, all on a modest, controlled budget. It tracks which combinations perform best. It measures clicks, engagement, and, most importantly, cost to acquire a lead. The agent learns from this data in real time. It automatically reallocates ad spend, funneling resources into winners, and pauses the ads that fail to deliver. This cycle of testing and optimization keeps your marketing budget efficient. A critical function is building your most valuable long-term asset, an email list. Every lead is added and nurtured with welcome emails, educational content, and valuable insights, warming your audience into a community. Once the marketing agent has delivered a steady stream of interested leads, the sales agent takes over. This agent's mission is to convert that interest into revenue. It is your frontline representative, handling inquiries and guiding prospects through the purchasing process with patience and precision. The sales agent operates primarily through automated chat on your website and by managing email conversations. Equipped with a comprehensive knowledge base, it can instantly answer, what are the features, what is the price, what is the refund policy. The agent provides clear, consistent answers, 24 hours a day. It can book demos or calls for high-value prospects where your personal touch is required. For the majority of transactions, the sales agent closes the deal on its own, addressing objections, reinforcing value, presenting a clear offer, then guiding to a smooth, pre-filled checkout with payment links and invoices. After a purchase is made, it confirms the order, sends an immediate receipt, and provides a sense of security and professionalism. It can introduce upsells or cross-sells, like a discounted advanced workshop or a complimentary toolkit, framed as an opportunity to enhance their purchase. Crucially, the sales agent logs every interaction, tracking frequent questions, common objections, and which scripts convert best. This intelligence feeds back into your system, refining the product, improving website copy, and enhancing marketing agent scripts, so your stack becomes smarter and more effective over time. With a sale confirmed, the responsibility shifts to the operations agent, or ops agent, the engine room ensuring promises are delivered flawlessly. Its primary job is fulfillment for digital products, ebooks, courses, software. The moment payment is confirmed, the ops agent is triggered, sending files, generating unique access links, and creating accounts, delivering instant gratification. It monitors delivery end-to-end, confirming emails are delivered and opened, links work, and logins succeed. If any step fails, it reacts, creating support tickets, flagging items for your review, or attempting secondary delivery. Beyond delivery, it checks in with customers, requests feedback, prompts reviews, and collects NPS, turning feedback into structured insight. For complex services, it dispatches work, creating projects, assigning pre-vetted freelancers and specialized agents, tracking progress and deadlines. It compiles deliverables for final handoff, your virtual project manager orchestrating moving parts without constant manual oversight. The true magic happens when you combine these individual agents into a single, cohesive system, the agent stack. This is not about having 3 separate tools working in isolation. It is about creating a seamless flow of data and actions from one agent to the next, marketing to sales to ops, each with a clear input and a distinct output. The marketing agent's output is a qualified lead. That lead becomes the sales agent's input. Sales output is a new customer and confirmed order. Ops begins fulfillment. This linear, logical flow is the backbone of your automated enterprise. To connect these agents, you will use APIs or user-friendly workflow automation platforms, the digital plumbing, so your marketing can send leads to your sales chatbot and payments instantly trigger ops. You do not need to be a programmer to set this up. This modular structure is the key to scaling without the traditional overhead. You do not need to worry about payroll, benefits, office space, or management layers. Instead, you add agent capacity, deploying a dedicated marketing agent for a new platform, configuring a new ops agent for a new product, each a predictable operating cost. This brings speed and agility. You can test ideas quickly, switch agents off if they do not work, and stay in the strategic cockpit while your stack executes with relentless efficiency. Your toolkit for the zero-employee enterprise, building your stack does not require massive custom software. By 2026, affordable, powerful, off-the-shelf tools can be combined to create your automated business. For content and communication, rely on large language models, OpenAI's GPT, Anthropic's Claude, Google's Gemini for ad copy, email sequences, and chatbot scripts. For visuals, use AI image and video generation, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, Runway ML, for ads, social media, and website visuals, replacing expensive shoots early on. Supplement with vast stock libraries, Envato Elements, Artlist, stock photos, video, and royalty-free music to keep costs low. The glue is workflow automation, Zapier, Make. When a new lead arrives, send details to email marketing, then alert your sales chatbot, seamless data flow without being a developer. Essential services include Stripe or PayPal for payments, Card or Webflow for pages, and analytics like Google Analytics or Plausible. Start on free or entry-level plans and assemble a fully functional agent stack for a few $100s per month. Astonishingly small for infrastructure capable of generating millions. Automation platforms act as the central nervous system, coordinating handoffs between marketing, sales, and operations with precision. Your journey begins with a focused sprint. The first 30 days are about building your minimum viable business. Decide your product and target market. Use a simple builder to create a clean page focused on one call to action. Set up your initial agent stack, a marketing agent for one ad channel, a sales agent for chat and streamline checkout, and an ops agent to automate delivery and handle issues. Launch your first ads with a small controlled budget. Gather data, not perfection. Obsess over key metrics, cost per lead, conversion rate, and average order value. Prove $1 in ad spend returns more than $1 in revenue. Days 31 to 90. Refine ad creative, enhance landing copy from sales transcripts, and build richer nurture sequences. Add templates and scripts. Launch a second channel once the first is predictable. By day 365, scale winning campaigns, deploy agents for growth experiments, test pricing models, explore affiliates, implement referrals, and consider strategic partnerships. The goal: a robust, automated system that reliably hits profit targets, operating like a well-oiled machine with you as its sole conductor. Embracing this model requires a clear-eyed understanding of its inherent risks. AI agents are not infallible. They can misinterpret questions, provide incorrect information, or fail tasks. Build checks and balances. Early on, personally approve high-value quotes and double-check complex dispatches. As you scale, transition to automated alerts. Watch for refund spikes, clusters of negative feedback, or delivery failures and intervene early. Data security and privacy are paramount. Choose reputable platforms, ensure compliance, use strong, unique passwords, and enable two-factor authentication. Manage financial risk. Ad platforms and API providers can change pricing. Avoid single points of failure. Maintain backups and a healthy cash buffer for runway. Careful financial planning is the bedrock of a resilient zero-employee enterprise. We are at the beginning of a new industrial revolution, one powered by intelligence rather than steam. The barriers that once protected large corporations are dissolving. Tools that needed entire departments are now available to you for the price of a few monthly subscriptions. The ability to build $1 million business with 0 employees is no longer a futuristic fantasy. As of today, in 2026, it is a clear and achievable plan. The playbook has been written. The path is laid out before you. All that is missing is your action. You do not need to build a monolithic, all-powerful AI. Instead, assemble a team of focused, task-specific agents. Deploy a marketing agent to find your tribe. Deploy a sales agent to turn interest into income. Deploy an operations agent to deliver on your promises with perfection. Connect them into a seamless stack with automation. You scale not by hiring, but by duplicating, adding agent capacity, not human complexity, for exponential leverage. Do not be intimidated. Start small. Choose a simple product for a market you understand. Launch one marketing channel. Automate one part of delivery. Your first goal is a single, profitable feedback loop. Test, measure, learn. Watch your cost to acquire a customer and the value they bring.